everyone, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time to be here, thank you so much for clicking this video, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love and the support. So if you're new here, my name is penninahthegrace. You're welcome in the home of grace. In this channel I share my life stories. Okay, so guys, in today's video I just want to share with you some of the things you people so guys, before I show you around the room, I just want you to mind, you guys, please guys, just mind what you comment in the comment section, because guys, you don't know, by the way, I haven't shared like everything, and you don't know what I've been through or what I'm going through or what I am battling with. So before you start insulting me or talking evil or anything that you just speak, you know, there are some people, they just speak because people are speaking, they don't know what they are talking about. As long as their mouth is open, whatsoever will come out of their mouth, they don't care. You don't know the person that you are talking to or you are referring to. So people, we should just mind our own business. So when I'm sharing with you guys, it is not like even it's a must like I have to, but because you've become part of my family, you are my family, and that's the reason I'm sharing with you like everything, so that there are things that you will learn from me. You know, the best part of it is like I always share my life story so that you people or anybody outside there can learn and understand some of the things that I've been through, so they might not make the same mistakes, or they can be alert and not repeat or do what I did. So that is why I always share with you guys my stories. So in today's video guys, I just want to share with you or to show you how my room, my apartment looks like. Yes, I know I've disappointed you guys because you are expecting like a mansion, right? You are expecting a mansion. So beside that a mansion, maybe the story will come and I will let you know why there is a mansion or why there is not that mansion yet. So guys, I will show you around my house. I will show you the few things that God has blessed me with, and yeah, so let's see. So guys, as you can see, that is what I managed to make, that shelf, and I have my utensils there. I have my flour, sugar, salt, let me say like everything that I can use in the kitchen. So what do you say about that? So guys, as you can see, when you are coming at the door, you will see the doormat, and then that black jerrycan. I keep water there. That is water that I used to cook and drink. And then that is the dustbin. And then that is where I keep my dirty clothes. And then the pink bucket is water that I use in the washroom, and that one, the blue one. And there are some other buckets in the washroom. So, and when you come inside my house, the first thing that you'll see in my apartment, you'll see the shoe rack. This house is too small, and I have the cooker there. So guys, I'll just let you watch, because everything is self-explanatory. You'll just see what you see, and that is what it is. So yeah, I'll just let you watch the video, and thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe, and don't forget to put your notification bell on. So see you in my next video. Bye.